Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, and we are here now to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 7th of August, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.10. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 4.39% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 4.39% to 22.42%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 34.63% over the next year, with a potential return between 34.63% and 59.01%. This corresponds to a price range of $585.34 to $691.31 after a year. Our latest daily update for the QQQ ETF features the headline, "Evaluation of QQQ ETF downgraded after the last trading session." The price of the QQQ ETF experienced a decline of 1.08% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, dropping from $439.53 to $434.77. During that trading session, the ETF exhibited fluctuations of 3.37%, with a low of $434.37 and a high of $449. The ETF has decreased in price during 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decline of 6.17% during this period. Additionally, trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be considered a positive sign as volume typically aligns with the ETF's movement. On the last trading day, the volume fell by 7 million shares, with a total of 54 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $23.27 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price stands at 13.65%, or $68.75, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the Invesco QQQ Trust Exchange Traded Fund highlight key economic shifts impacting investor sentiment and market performance. As of today, the 7th of August, 2024, a panel discussion revealed that central banks, including the Federal Reserve, are likely to influence market volatility in the near future. This is particularly pertinent following Goldman Sachs' increased odds of a recession to 25% due to a disappointing jobs report. Moreover, expectations for potential rate cuts from the Federal Reserve could provide some relief to the markets, which might encourage a more favorable investment environment for the QQQ. Yet the ETF has already shown volatility, recently trading around $445.42 amid scrutiny over the financial viability of heavy artificial intelligence infrastructure investments. While AI features from companies like Apple could drive iPhone upgrades, NVIDIA's forthcoming earnings may clarify broader AI adoption trends, affecting the ETF's performance. With the Nasdaq 100 index confirming a correction phase, down 10.88% from its 52-week high, Investors are weighing the prospects of buying the dip in technology stocks. In the long term, sustained interest in technology and strategic shifts towards monetization could stabilize QQQ. However, with prevailing economic uncertainties, current market dynamics may prompt short-term fluctuations in its stock price. Investors must remain vigilant as both macroeconomic factors and individual company performances unfold. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The QQQ ETF is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, indicating a general sell signal. During any upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $449.53 and $476.27. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 10, 2024, and since then, the price has declined by 13.56%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is an ongoing sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price in the last trading session, which lowers the overall risk, as volume generally follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal recorded 21 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal noted 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, observed 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, identified 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal noted 12 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal, recorded 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, identified 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal, observed 178 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the exchange-traded fund may experience significant declines in the coming days. This ETF typically exhibits average daily movements, and with sufficient trading volume, the associated risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $14.63 between its high and low, which represents a change of 3.37%. In the past week, the ETF has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 3.41%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a low expectation for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at 435 and 37/100ths. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and a stop loss has not been established. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? The QQQ ETF currently displays several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that QQQ will exhibit weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this ETF has shifted from a hold or accumulate rating to a sell recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 8th of August, we predict that QQQ will open with an increase of $4.61, starting at a price of $439.38. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.